Welcome to Project Engineer, where every day we're building better project managers. This is our 10-part video series where we're covering the 10 knowledge areas that you need to know for project management. Hey everyone, I'm Sarah. I'm a certified project manager and I'm here to walk you through the 10 knowledge areas. In this video, we're covering integration. This is our first knowledge area and we're looking at it at a high level. What I want you guys to look for are patterns and anomalies to those patterns. In integration, we have 7 processes and unfortunately, they don't all follow the patterns that some of the other knowledge areas follow. So this knowledge area is a little bit harder to start with, but think of it as the mother of all the other knowledge areas, and it's bringing all the knowledge areas together. Before we can dive into this knowledge area, I need you to be aware of the 5 process groups. These will come up time and time again. The first process group is initiating. The second one is planning. The third one is executing. The fourth one is monitoring and controlling. And the fifth one is closing. In this knowledge area, we have 7 processes, which makes it the longest knowledge area. In initiating, we have the first process called Develop Project Charter. The main output of that process is the project charter itself. This gives the project manager authority to start the project and to start spending money. In planning, we have the next process called Develop the Project Management Plan. Think of that as the compilation of all the other plans that are to come in all the other knowledge areas. This takes us to executing, where we have 2 more processes. The first process is direct and manage project work, and the next one is manage project knowledge. In direct and manage project work, we have scope, schedule, and cost being managed. That means when we get to the knowledge areas of scope, schedule, and cost, you won't see any processes in executing. The second process in integration under executing is manage project knowledge. This is a new process, so you might not have heard of this one yet. In Manage Project Knowledge, we have 2 types of knowledge. That's tacit knowledge and explicit knowledge. For more information on that, you can check out one of our articles online. Next, we have monitoring and controlling. In monitoring and controlling, we have 2 processes. The first one is Perform Integrated Change Control, and the second one is Monitor and Control Project Work. In Perform Integrated Change Control, this is where the project manager will oversee all change requests and possibly take those to the CCB, the Change Control Board. Usually the sponsor is on the CCB. The second process in monitoring and controlling is Monitor and Control Project Work. Here the project manager will assess and evaluate all the project work that's happening. Finally, we have a process in closing. Integration is the only knowledge area that has a process in the process group called closing. This process is called close project or close phase. Very important, you need to know every project needs to be closed, whether it's canceled or not. Also, please note that it says close project or close phase. The reason we have close phase is for really large projects where you may have separate phases. Each of those needs to be closed. For example, EPC, engineering, procuring, constructing, each of those phases needs to be closed. All right, that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. We have a lot more videos coming up, and you will start to see the patterns emerge as we continue through the knowledge areas. If you want to communicate with us, please go online to our website. You can find a page there to ask any questions or give feedback. You can also communicate with us on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. And finally, if you want more information, since these videos are very high level, please go online, read the articles, or find one of our online courses to take. Also, if you're looking for project management software, you can go to our website and find Nebulome. It's free to start using. Thanks again for watching, you guys. We'll see you in the next video.